One Ethereum/ETH coin costs $1,628 at the moment. In the last 24 hours, it's gone down by 0.55%. The price of ETH was higher at the end of the day 49.93% of the time. The highest price we have ever seen for one ETH is $4,786, which was 1 year and 10 months ago. Since then, the price has gone down by -65.99%. Based on technical price analysis, 2 of the 17 technical indicators say to buy and 10 say to sell. This means that the short-term forecast is bearish. ETH's first big uptrend resistance is at $1,906, and it needs to close above that level to keep going up. The bottom support level is at $1,612. So, if the price goes down below $1,612, it may go down even more. On the other hand, if it can close above $1,906, it can go up to $1,906, which is the next level of support. Right now, the 14-day Relative Strength Index, RSI, is at 48.20, which means that the market is in a normal state, neither oversold nor overvalued. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, for the weekly chart is also at 62.00, which shows that the market is acting normally. The exponential moving averages show a bearish trend on the daily chart. The price of Ethereum is only above the 10-day EMA, but it is below the 20, 50, 100, and 200-day EMAs. In the past, the price of ETH on the last day of September was higher than the opening price only 2 out of 9 times, and it was lower than the price at the beginning of the month 7 out of 9 times. In the last 9 years, February has been the best month for Ethereum. 7 times, the price of ETH at the end of February was higher than when the month began. The worst month is September, because 7 out of 9 times, the price was lower at the end of September than it was at the beginning of the month. Find out more by looking at the monthly results. Ethereum had 4 bull runs. Its first all-time high was in August 2015, when it hit $3.54. The price dropped to $0.4829880 75 days later, before the next bull run. Since August 2015, it took about a year to reach a new all-time high. Since the last bull run in November 2021, there have been 676 days. The minimum amount of time ETH needs to hit the new ETH is 314, and the maximum amount of time is 1377. According to our Ethereum price estimate, the price of ETH could reach $1,712 in the next 10 days. In the long term, the price is expected to be $2,528 in 2025 and $4,650 in 2030. We think that the price of Ethereum will be $2,139 in 2024. Based on what we know, that's the most. ETH for the next few days. Price day. Monday, September 18, 2023, $1,674. Tuesday, September 19, 2023, $1,670. September 20, 2023, Wednesday, $1,669. September 21, 2023, Thursday, $1,671. September 22, 2023, Friday, $1,673. 23, Sat, September 2023, $1,675. 24, Sun, September 2023, $1,672. 25, Monday, September 2023, $1,689. 26, Tuesday, September 2023, $1, $695. September 27, 2023, Wednesday, $1, $712. The price of ETH is expected to be $1, $674 tomorrow, which is a 2.82% increase from the current price. On the other hand, the highest guess for next week is $1, $712, which is 2.2% more than the highest guess for this week, which was $1, $675. Ethereum ETH is currently trading between $1.612 and $1.718. These prices are important support and resistance marks. The first big resistance level for ETH is at $1.718, and if the price manages to break above this level, the next ones to watch out for are at $1.800 and $1.906. These numbers are important because they may show that prices could go up even more. You can buy ETH with USD, Euro, GBP, BRL, AUD, JPY, stablecoins USDT, USDC, BUSD, TUSD, DAI, and crypto coins BTC, ETH, and BNB. You can trade ETH on more than 84 crypto markets. Based on the number of buys and sales in the last 24 hours, Binance with the S-Trade pair is the best exchange. 3 deals with the most trades. Community members and developers said on September 15 that Ethereum's Holsky testnet had a problem that means it will have to try again to start. Diedrich Lohracker, also known as Proto-Lambda, an Ethereum researcher, wrote that a worker put some data in the wrong part of the network's Genesis files. Lohracker says that this led to a wrong setup that made it impossible for the testnet to start up. He also said that other fork factors are said to be wrong, but he didn't say more about these problems. Lohracker also said that there were no problems with the size of the Holsky network, which was something that was thought about before the start. In August, coders decided that 1.4 million validators could be used with Holsky. In reaction, they put out 1.6 billion Holsky ETH tokens, which was a lot. Relaunch is due in the next few weeks. Even though Holsky will be relaunched soon, the exact date is still unknown. A group that works on research and development for Ethereum, called Nethermind, said that coders will relaunch Holsky in 1 week. So, it looks like the next try will be on September 22nd. Michael Sproul, who works on Ethereum and is a part of Sigma Prime, has said in a GitHub pull request that Holsky should be relaunched on September 28. That date is almost 2 weeks after the first time the network tried to go live. No matter how long the problem takes, it doesn't affect Ethereum's mainnet, which is where deals with real value happen. BeaconChain.eth wrote that the Holsky start didn't go as planned, but that's why there are testnets. The Ethereum manual says that the Goerli testnet will be replaced by the Holsky testnet. Both testnets are meant to test things like staking, validating, and upgrades to the main network. There is also a testnet called Sepolia for independent coders who want to test their own apps that use Ethereum. Each of these testnets runs on special testnet ETH, which is given away for free through sources and has no real value on the market.